It's Wednesday now, and the show that's going on the main stage is called Zartinka Circus Project, but there's no more information about it here except that it's a circus project, so I'm guessing a youth circus project here in Portugal or the Azores. I didn't see the start of it, also I can't see the end of it because I've got a workshop at 12 o'clock and that's going to overlap, so now squeeze catches. Here's my workshop. It's going to start in like 1 minute's time. We're ready to go. Flat front double spin to a squeeze catch. Go! Whoever gets it gets a cookie! Double spin. Oh yeah. 2 spins. You're just doing a high single spin. That's not good enough. Double spin. Has anyone got it yet? That's really close at the front here. We have a winner! We have a winner, I saw it happen. You can come and get a cookie at the end of the workshop. Unless I eat them all first. It's a really nice, surprising dynamic of everything moving, then everything stopped. From the front it looks a bit like this. Okay, you see? Looking good. Now, you've probably already worked out what I need to do now, which is, instead of catch this in this hand, also to catch it in this hand. So it's a 3-in-1 hand club squeeze catch, okay? And it's, once you actually get it, I kind of cheated that, but once you get it, it can just come together nicely in the hand. So it's a triple and then 2 singles all together into the hand. Triple and 2 singles, and of course I was going to fuck it up at some point. It's called a squeeze scissor catch. So this is going to be like the same as normal, and I'm going to catch it there like that. However, the top club is going to be slightly underspun to 2 3/4 spin, and it's going to be around about this point here. And when I grip these 2 clubs together, this club will be around about here, and I'll squeeze them, together, and that will land like that. Squeeze scissor catch. Oh, like 40 tries or something. Oh! Thanks for coming to my workshop. That's squeeze catches. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you've got some fun to think. And I'm going to see you all around the gym doing this later on. Thank you. My name's Luke. Bye. My workshop tradition is a cookie for everyone who gets the big tricks. We got it. You got the double, and you also got it. Hey. Thanks, Joris.
Yeah, thanks for the workshop.
No problem. My pleasure. I have a cool perch to take photos and videos of the open stage. Oh, the lights just turned off. And today, after my workshop, I realized I was really tired. Yesterday was a long day. I have to walk into town and back, swimming at the beach, and then organizing fight night. And it turns out without Juliana with me, it was a lot more brain work as well as the physical work of doing that. So this afternoon, my body was just telling me, sleep, get some rest, or else you're gonna get ill. So I slept for about 4 or 5 hours this afternoon, which was pretty good. Anyway, now, time for the open stage. This is the target. Here we go. Ah. The left foot. Here we go. Oh. Oh! No, this one. Yeah.
Hey, but look at my tool.
Yeah, you got some good grouping there. It's gonna go. Oh my goodness! Uh-oh! Your time has come. The last shot. Can you guys do Diabolos, 4 Diabolos blind?
I wish. Go on, Evo!
Evo, they're calling your name.
Yes, I know. Okay.
Just one, but better.
No, okay, two. Un petit glace.
Yeah, actually, but it's like
Take it.
Good.
And please put a plant around it.
Just improvise, but it's important.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
That's it! Alright, I think that's about enough French Pirate Renegade for me. It's a little bit of fun to start with, but it seems like it's already winding down after only about 5 or 6 acts. Well, I'm off to bed.